Are you torn between choosing Exness or FBS to start or continue your trading journey? Let me help you make it clear with a detailed, practical, and up-to-date comparison so you can make a smarter choice, save costs, and trade more effectively. In the first part of this video, we'll dive into Exness. Then we'll analyze FBS. And finally, I'll share my recommendation based on your trading goals and personal style. Let's start with Exness. Exness is one of the most popular brokers in Southeast Asia, especially in Vietnam and the Philippines. And that's for 5 solid reasons. First, extremely low trading fees. With a standard account, the spread for EUR/USD usually ranges from just 0.3 to 0.5 pips, and there's absolutely no commission. If you trade 1 lot per day, you could save over $100 per month compared to brokers with higher spreads. Second, near instant withdrawals. You can withdraw via Gcash, USDT, or other common e-wallets, with processing times between just 5 to 20 minutes, even on weekends. This is crucial if you need to rotate capital quickly or don't want to wait long for your next trading opportunity. Third, powerful and flexible trading platforms. Besides supporting MT4 and MT5, Exness also has its own web terminal, a super lightweight platform that runs directly on your browser, no installation needed. Perfect for multi-device access or lower-end machines. If you use EAs or need to run strategies on a VPS, Exness handles that reliably too. Fourth, strong customer support. Exness offers 24/7 live chat in English, with response times usually within 2 to 3 minutes, whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. In case of order errors, slippage, or technical issues, fast support can make a big difference. And finally, Exness is well regulated. They're licensed by SISEC, FSCA, and the FSA of Seychelles, and they're transparent with financial reports, execution speeds, and global trading volumes. Now, let's move on to FBS. FBS is also a well-known name, especially among beginner traders, and they do have specific strengths that suit certain types of users. First, let's talk trading costs. With a standard account, spreads for EUR/USD usually range from 0.7 to 1.1 pips. Some account types like ECN or Pro offer lower spreads, but they also come with commissions ranging from $6 to $20 per lot. If you don't optimize your account type, FBS can end up being more expensive in the long run. Second, slower withdrawal speeds. FBS usually processes withdrawals within a few hours to 1-2 business days, depending on your method and timing. They do support USDT, but local options like Gcash aren't widely available yet. Third, beginner-friendly interface. FBS supports MT4 and MT5 like most major brokers, but their standout feature is a proprietary trading app, with a clean, simple design that's perfect for new traders. They also offer a copy trade system, which lets you follow professional traders with just a few taps. If you're new and don't have a strategy yet, copy trade can be a great way to get started. Fourth, average customer support. FBS usually replies via email or ticket within a few hours. They don't offer 24/7 live chat like Exness, so if something urgent comes up, you may have to wait longer for a response. And lastly, in terms of regulation and reputation, FBS is licensed by IFSC, Belize, and SISEC, making it suitable for international and European markets. However, they don't disclose much about trade volume or execution speed, so if transparency matters to you, keep that in mind. So, which one should you choose? If you're a hands-on trader, someone who wants full control over trading costs, withdrawal speed, advanced tools like EA or VPS, and fast customer support when problems arise, then Exness is likely the better choice. On the other hand, if you're a beginner, looking to start by copying trades from others, not too concerned about costs or speed just yet, and want a simple, easy-to-use app, then FBS might be the right place to get familiar with the market. And my final piece of advice? You don't need to guess. Open a demo account on both platforms, try live trades, test the withdrawal process, talk to their support team. After a few days of hands-on experience, you'll know which broker truly fits you. Now I want to hear from you. Are you using Exness or FBS right now? How was your experience with withdrawals, platform performance, and customer support? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your real story.